If you ask me what I'm saying on Jump 50 index, which is a synthetic market indices, I will tell you on a monthly time frame, we have come to analyze this in the past, I think some weeks ago, or maybe last week, I guess, as at the time I'm recording this video, that I'm expecting price to come to this side here before the market drops down back to the downside. However, that did not happen. We got here and the market continued its trend to the upside. So what now that we have gotten here, which is a zone on a weekly time frame, if you lower this, we realize that we have a very small zone here that is only having one touch point. There's no history that back it up, but I'm just hoping or expecting that since the weekly time frame is a very strong time frame and higher time frame because markets got there and reversed massively down to the downside. So I'm expecting that there is going to be history that will be created again around here, that we are going to see another opportunity to move to the downside. However, how are we going to approach it or to look for confirmation and complexes? We can't just start selling, right? Which I have not started doing yet. So I'm going to go to my daily time frame. On my daily time frame, already see that the market has gotten to my zone. Now I am interested. I am active. I want to know how I'm going to enter the market. How am I going to do this? I just have to draw my counter trend line. That's just basically what I'm looking for. Drawing my counter trend line because we have already gotten into the zone. So now drawing my counter trend line, um, I'm looking for a counter trend line break. Once I see a counter trend line break, that is what I'm looking for. And that's why, and that is how I'm going to enter this trade. So I've drawn my trend line, which is an uptrend at the moment. Now, this is another trend line again, which is an inner trend line opposing the in confluence with this outer trend line. So what I'm looking for is the market or price to come back probably to this upside, probably make some ranging around here, then we drop from this trend line here. Once we have a drop and I have a candlestick confirmation, that is when I'll be interested in to start selling on. Definitely, I'll be looking for the opportunity firstly from 15 minutes for the candlestick confirmation. If I cannot find it on 15 minutes, I will go to my 30 minutes. If I can't find it on my 30 minutes, I will go to my 1 hour time frame in order to look for the candlestick confirmation and so on. Once I see my candlestick confirmation, I'm going to start selling this market or this instrument. So that's just basically how I am going to enter um Jump 50 index trade. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know why, because I'm dropping very good, insightful things that you are going to benefit from. So why don't you just hit that subscribe button and also give us a thumbs up because you find this very insightful. That's the reason why you are still here watching this video to this extent or this level. So kindly give us a thumbs up and also share this video to your friends. Now, I have another thing that I'm going to show you, which is on gold. Now, gold actually yesterday has been moving, and if you remember, I said there was a zone that was broken in one of my past videos. That since this zone has been broken, I'm expecting the price to come back and retest this zone definitely around here before we start selling. Good. Now that we have gotten back to that side, or gold has eaten that price or touched that price for us, what should we expect? We should be, and it even broke it yesterday. My apologies. It even broke the counter trend line break or the trend line, normal trend line that has been coming on a 4 hour time frame. So, what should we be expecting? In my own opinion, as I have seen on Jump 50 last week or so, when there's a break of a trend line, it's high probability that the market or price is going to come back to that exact place that there was this, the market or the price started moving from for the break. So if there's probability that price is going to come here, and if we see an opportunity to enter, probably a candlestick confirmation giving us a confluence, then how I'm going to look for opportunity to sell this market to the downside. Now, that's just a speculation. And another thing is that there could be another opportunity, probably, that maybe this counter trend line is now no more valid, that this is invalid. So if it is invalid, then probably there's going to be another trend line I'm going to call here, around here. However, if that does not happen, then that means that I'm going to be looking at the opportunity of the price to come back here, giving me a candlestick confirmation. Then I sell to the downside here. So that's just basically what I have for you guys on gold. However, I'm still looking at this side that probably maybe price is going to come back here, then we sell, or we are definitely going to continue our sell to the downside. I've already given you my updates on US stock indices that price did not respect our analysis, and that is fine sometimes. So that is okay. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win, and sometimes there's nothing to do. So that's just basically what I have for you guys. If you find this video more insightful, kindly give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and also share this video to your loved ones. I appreciate you for watching this video and sticking to the end. Guys, peace out and bye. See you in the next one.